So today I want to walk you through how to delete all of the Facebook posts that you've previously posted on your Facebook page at one time. Pretty easy process. So let's jump into this. Obviously, we need to start by opening up our Facebook account. Hey, do me a favor. When this video helps you, if you could, just consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It's just a really easy way to support what we're doing here, and I really appreciate it. But let's continue. Here we go. So we're going to open up our profile by hitting that menu button there. In this section, we'll go to the settings. If you have an Android, the steps should align. The placement of the things might be different. So we just need to get to the settings section, and then in settings, we need to find activity log. So mine's inside of your activity. Now here, we're going to look at public posts. And you'll see that I don't have any public posts because most of my posts are already set to friends only. So what I would do is I would remove this public tag, and it's going to give me all of my posts, your posts, videos, and photos. And I'm just going to select all, and it's going to select all of my posts. See, we're down to 2020. I don't post a lot. All right. And then down at the bottom, you have this trash option here that you would select, and then you would select move to trash. I'm going to hit cancel because I don't want to clear out my profile, but that's how you would do it. Guys, I hope this helps. If it did, again, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.